You know, a lot of people who portray one thing on Instagram and then when you meet them in real life, it's the complete opposite.
Oh, I've heard the stories. It's
so
like
definitely
crazy.
like that, but I think it's great for people to conduct business.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, cause I really need to step up my game. Cause Mikado, she yells at me all the time, like, no, God, you need to do this, you need to do that. And she's a whiz with Instagram. I don't try to bother her too much. She's in college. Like, no, focus. Don't be trying to, no. I'll come up there and get schooled on Instagram when you get all your grades together. You know, just, you could just, oh no, when you come to see me, we'll do this. Like, no, them grades better be right for one. And then you can show me your skills later. No, she's a whiz at it. Like, she's always on it. She started her little t-shirt business.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's like a graphic artist. She's going to school for like something with graphic artists, something. And she's really, really great at it. She was doing like presentations in high school. I was like, I couldn't understand, like, what are you doing? Like, how the hell did you, this thing that she doing on the computer, I'm like, it just amazes me. I'm like, wow.
That's a lot of good information out there.
Mm-hmm.
You can look up with my friend too. She actually we just did a what do you call it? A masquerade ball in Albany.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it would be really good for you to like connect with people. So I'll get. Do you have business cards anymore?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'll get some of those from you.
Okay.
And I'm always traveling a lot.
Yeah, and that's what I noticed about you. I mean, that's really, really good that you travel. Because there's some people in this world. I mean, no matter like, what, do you have any kids?
Mm-hmm.
Married?
Nope.
See, you have carte blanche. I tell people all the time, like, no. Even if you do have kids, even if you're married, like, you do have somebody that will support you in your dreams, and like, y'all can get up and go, or actually get out of whatever you're in, go for it. Like, don't get stuck there. I mean, I love too. Don't get me wrong, I plan to get married one day, but I don't want to get married just because my mom is telling me to get married, or just because my brother got married, or just because, oh, you got black love and all this good stuff. I'm like, love is love. To me, if somebody can even put up with my shit, and I don't care what color they are, I'm like alien or whatever. I'm like, damn, I want to marry that person. So it's like, shit, that's a good person.
Because you have to have people that motivate you. That's kind of what I'm dealing with right now. I'm on like a journey to find my soul tribe. And it could be an individual, it can be individuals, but it's kind of like I like to be around people who are going to motivate me to be better and who are risk takers and who aren't just stuck on being complacent. You know, because I'm like this. If I have my mind made up to really, really do something, I do it. Like I get like tunnel vision. I just go for it. You know, because you have to.
That's right.
And then we're all responsible for our own happiness.
Exactly. And you said the key word, we are responsible.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put a little bit more cold gel in this. Go as far as you can go. There we go. Perfect. And this is not your edges or anything. This is just right on the side.
Okay.
Because sometimes our hair grows like in the middle of our temple area where it's not really supposed to.
Yeah, I've noticed I've had little spots like that.
And I'm not cutting the eyebrows or anything.
Okay.
It just feels like I'm like right at the top of it. Hard.
Oh, that's I gotta use like Vaseline or Aquaphor. They want to start to dry out.
Right. They keep everything hydrated, or yeah, you can even cleanse the skin with it, like Cetaphil, or wait, what was the second one you said? Aquaphor, you said.
Yeah, well, that's like a skin protectant.
Mm-hmm.
So I shouldn't use my Clarisonic.
No, you can. Well, I would at least the next 2 days, all you're doing is just a nice cleansing the face or washing the face, cleansing everything up, and then moisturizing. That's all we're doing in the next 2 days.
Okay.
Yeah, just to keep everything nice and hydrated, because the peel's taking effect, and you'll see once you do the peel, like, oh, okay, now I see why he wanted me to touch his face or touch his face. No hot water, no swimming in chlorine-filled pools, no going on a vacation, swimming in the salty ocean and all that good stuff, because that would just mess your skin all up.
Yeah, the whole purpose.
Mm-hmm.